2025. We're therefore saying back to team, it's the Red! Riding at over 400 miles per hour, turning our famous red, white and blue. Red one eases up and takes some ground to right, which indicates to me he's starting the show rolling. Red one gives the command. We see red 6 and 7 collapsing behind red one, followed by reds 8 and 9 to form our world famous Diamond 9. The team is led by red one, second year as the team leader, squad leader John Bond. John Bond used to be a Typhoon pilot. He's also a qualified flying instructor on the Soprano, where he was the Soprano display pilot in 2012. On the right, in our Diamond 9, once again, it's the Red Arrow. On the right hand side of red one is red 2, Flight 10 Rob Thomas. Rob is in his first year of the team. Uniquely, he was taken from training and made straight to an instructor on the Hawk 2 Mark 1 at RAF Valley, before they completed his own training and joining the Typhoon Force, where he served on 3 squadron operations over Iraq and Syria, before then becoming an instructor on 29 Squadron, all based at RAF Coventry in Lincolnshire. We now see reds 8 and 9 move left and right, and that centre 10 moves forwards. Before you can hear those commands from Red. They're almost robotic and monotone in his delivery, and that's because we fly our formation by ear rather than by eye. That means the pilots on the outside of the formation are putting their inputs in just a little bit earlier than those on the inside to ensure the whole formation moves as one. Reds 8 and 9 now collapse on the inside behind Reds 2 and 3 to form a shape of the most iconic aviation aircraft in history. This is Concorde. On the left-hand side, that centre 10 is red 3. Flight attendant Andrew McEwen, known as Hacker. Hacker is in his first year on the team. Uniquely, he flew in the AV-8B, a Harrier variant, while on exchange with the United States Marine Corps, before then coming back and flying the latest RAF aircraft, the F-35B, with 617, the Gambusters Harrier, Mara. And Hacker would like to give a shout out to his friend's daughter, Hazel, who's here today. Smoke comes on, they bend round to our right in Apollo. Now, 11 pilots in the red arrows, of course, got reds 1 through 9 displaying for each day. Myself, red 10, fourth and final year on the team. Former Tornado GR4 pilot, former qualified flying instructor on the Hawk 2 Mark 2. And of course, we are commanded by Wing Commander Adam Collins, OC Rafa, former Tornado pilot, and include the F-111, while on exchange with the Royal Australian Air Force. Coming in from the left, red 6 and 7 in the rear. Get your cameras ready for the colourful Big Vixen. Maybe not, there's a small door at the base of the aeroplane sticking out, that's the air brake. And we fly the insert manoeuvres with this out. It has a twofold effect. The first effect is the pilots fly with a higher throttle setting, thereby producing the hotter engine gas temperature and a maple smoke. 8 and 9, roll goes, reds 8 and 9, roll around the rest of the formation. We'll watch for the colour change as red 1 brings them down the line. Red 1 was the team working extremely hard. And in the second half, we operate in 2 distinct sections off to the left-hand side. Number 4, roll goes. Number 4, rolls around the smoke in the twister. Sitting in trail on red 1. In the middle is red 5. Flight attendant Christy Wales, known as Christy. Secondly on the team, originally from Zimbabwe. He's a former Typhoon pilot with 11 squadron, former Typhoon instructor on 29 squadron, and test pilot with 41 squadron, all based at RAF Coventry in Lincolnshire. Red 6 and 8 to our left hand side, red 7 and 9 to our right hand. Red 9 is flight attendant Ollie Sippling in his field here in the team, full tornado pilot, time qualified flights to number 1 team. Get your cameras ready, this is one you do not want to miss. The smoke comes on for the world famous Synchro Heart. Coming from the top right to Synchro Heart is ready. Blackpool, Rich Walker. Rich is third and finally in the team. He's from Harry, he's from Typhoon and being qualified time to get overall team up 2. The Xavier Irish and one of our own in the Sydney Lord, the Bill Rolls.
Go.
It's a great opportunity to see our famous red, white and blue. Each aircraft now pulling hard away from each other, pulling up to 60 and each aircraft on his way 6 times heavier than what you lie of and stand barrel roll in the sky, leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in the Serpents. Of course, again, you can see our famous red, white and blue. That is taken due to the smoke pod in the belly of the airplane. That smoke pod is approximately 5. Red 6 and 9 now working extremely hard. That Megan's deep pushing all the blood to their head. Working hard. Clear goes, red 4 and 5 roll to the outside. One of the hardest maneuvers for our new pilot each year for Master. This is Rover. Out the aeroplanes with me, you can see 6, 8 and 9 behind in the smoke is red 7 in the Tempest. Once again, red 6 to the left, red 7 off to the right. It's been an honour, it's been a pleasure. Please put your hands together for the 2025 Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. It's ready! Red 1 puts his smoke on, he'll down the rest formation, taking back to land at Blackpool Airport. We'll get our aircraft refueled, re-smoked, and get ourselves ready for the flight past tonight over Edinburgh Castle, the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo. As I said, it's been an absolute honour and a pleasure to talk to you today at Blackpool. If you'd like more information about the Red Hours, of course we are on Facebook. RF Red Hours. All the pilots have their own Instagram account. Find me RF Red 10 from me to be able to follow the rest of the team. Hashtag Red Hours for your pictures and videos. We'll pick them up and share across social media. I said it's been an honour and a pleasure to perform for you today. It's my final year, fourth year in Red Arrows. We don't get to see you tomorrow or the rest of the season. I'm going to be down at the front of the community breaks. I'm selling the RAF and Red Arrows consigned prints. £10 cash, I can take cards on the car machine works. But if I don't see you before, have a great rest of the day. Take care of yourselves. Thank you all for supporting the last 4 years. Thank you very much. Goodbye. I said it's been an honour and a pleasure to perform for you today. It's my final year, fourth year in Red Arrows. We don't get to see you tomorrow or the rest of the season.